If you've lost access to your Bloomreach Discovery account and can't use your email, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Bloomreach Discovery login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Select alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Escort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Depending on the recovery option you selected, follow the on-screen instructions carefully to verify your identity. Step 5. Set a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to set a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Bloomreach Discovery account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.